Hello brides, it's your girl April Burns, your wedding coordinator, your celebrity style and bridal expert, your spiritual life coach. Welcome to my Style and Spiritual TV. Yes, I wanted to answer you guys quick questions. You guys saw the video, and so you was like, April, you did not answer the question about the bridal gown. I didn't see any questions. We double checked and we looked. We did see a question about wedding tips and how to budget. We did do a video on that, so I'm sorry you didn't see it, but there's a link. You can go to it, and we're going to be putting that up again. If it's not there, we're going to go back and we're going to do it. What I wanted to say to you is that the question I believe you asked was, my wedding is 18 months off. When should I start getting my gown? Then you asked about your cake. Okay, and I won't say your name because you didn't answer the question as to if you wanted us to answer your name or not. So we want to announce your name. Basically, your cake and your gown. Those are two separate issues. You can do your cake a little later, but you definitely want to start on your gown as early as possible. And if you're on a budget, you want to definitely work on your budget first. Look at your finances. Talk with your fiance. Who's going to be helping you? Who's going to be helping you plan the wedding? Who's going to help you guys purchase things for the wedding? Who's going to finance the wedding? Or his family, your parents' family, his parents? Who's going to help you? If you're doing it yourselves, then you definitely should have been saving about, say, 6 months before you start, because you got 18 months. So you can say save for 5 or 6 months for like just your cake alone. I would say if you're on a budget, go to a local cake shop in your area. Really look at their cakes that's between $300 to $500. Don't go with $500, and you can get a great 3, 5, 6, 4 tier cake. I would say a 3 tier, no more than that. And unless you want to go 4, but I would say go to those local shops like that. Look at their history. Look at how long they've been in business. And look at some testimonials on their website. Look at a lot of their cakes and ask questions about the type of cakes they make. You want to know. Ask lots of questions. Your gown should be at least looking at purchasing a gown anywhere between 6 months to a year. So you got 18 months, right? So you don't have to worry about getting your gown just yet. But I would say about 5 months into your date, which would put you at, say, 12 months away. Now you got a year. Okay, you got a year, literally a year, at least 11 months before you're actually able to start. That's a good window. So you want to go around that time, because 18 months is a while off. It's almost 2 years. So you have a lot of time to pick your dress out. You have plenty of time to definitely pick out a cake. So don't rush it. If your wedding is 18 months off, you have plenty of time. I hope this helps. And again, stick on the budget. That's the first thing you want to be working on, is your budget. Your finances. Know what you have, know what you got to work with, and stick to it. I like to tell clients to give me a ballpark, where you want to go, where you want to hit it at, and kind of where you want to, can you afford to go over at. 3 little ballpark areas. The mark, where you want to stay in between, or is there room for you to kind of go about 20 bucks, 100 bucks. You want 3 areas that you want to hit, and look at those areas and think about that, and then go look at your budget again. What do you want to start with first? Do you want to start with, say, decoration and invitations? Invitations is about 6 to 8 weeks out, so you got plenty of time for invitations. So that can be kind of like your last thing on your agenda. But you definitely want to start with like decorations. I would say that would be your first thing right now. Your decorations, your food. Who's going to do that? Because that's kind of the hardest and most difficult part. The venue, where location, who's going to be using that particular space before you? Are they able to fit you in that space 18 months from now? Because believe it or not, people book in advance. People put down deposits in advance. So I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please feel free to let me know. You can email me at D, like David or like dog, D, N as in Nancy, IORNIOR at yahoo.com. And that is D, New York at yahoo.com. Please leave me your questions and I'll get back with you. Also, we're going to re-put up that link, and we're going to re-put up that video, and you can go back there and listen to the other video on some more budget-saving wedding tips. I'm April Burns, and remember to love yourself, hug yourself, because God loves you and so do I. And congratulations on you being a lucky bride to be. Bye, ladies.